Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Friends, today I am coming with the video of repairing vTech cordless phone, landline phone repairing. In this video, you can see the various fault which includes speakerphone fault, ringer fault and power supply fault. Also, I am telling you the mic fault. If mic is not working in handset, how to repair that fault. Also keypad fault, if the switches is not working or push hardly, what procedure is due to repair the handset. First of all, you can remove the batteries, move the cover and remove the battery, then open the two screws with the help of screwdriver as you see in the video. Then with the help of a screwdriver you can open the lock very gently by placing the screwdrivers in this lock. When you push the screwdriver in this lock, so you hear a sound that these locks are opened. First one side, then second side. You can, with the help of screwdriver, open these locks. As you see in the video. Now the cordless handset is open. Very gently you separated the upper part of handset so that these wires of ringer not doesn't broken. You can take simply cotton piece or thinner piece to remove to clean the circuit board of this handset, as if the switches of a handset is not working, as I use sanitizer on cotton to clean the handset. Very gently also rub the cotton on the switches which is not working. Clean the switches very gently and remove the dust. Also you can wash the rubber handset with the help of water, then dry it. If the handset battery not charged, you can check these two resistance. You can see that this resistance does not working. As you see, if these resistance is okay, the in the meter you can see okay. If the power fault and the battery not charged, you can check these both of this resistance. If outgoing speech is not working, this mic got defective. You can easily place a mobile mic as you see in the picture. As mobile mic is has same function, do same function as the cordless mic. You can put two wires, solder these two wires and adjust on the back side. The mic problem will be solved. If you have speaker problem, you can push this speaker up and two points soldered here. You can use mobile, you can purchase mobile speaker from market and replace it, because the cordless phone speaker and mobile speaker are same, but cordless phone speaker is not easily available in the market. Same process is for ringer speaker. If the ringer is not working, the problem is in ringer speaker. You can easily change this ringer speaker by plugging up this spring. If display is not working in the cordless, the fault is of this crystal. You can borrow this crystal from market and change it, but this crystal is professionally changed by professional person. Layman person is not change this crystal. If any technician can see my video, if the cordless phone display not working, you can change this crystal. Friends, if you like my video, please do subscribe and like my channel. Now you can close this cordless phone as you open this. Same process adopted as you open this cordless handset, as you see in the picture. Friends, my English is not up to mark. Please do understand what I say. The same process you adopted as I adopted, as you show, as you see in the video. Friends, hope you like my video. If you like my video, please do subscribe and like my video. This video is also available in Hindi language. Now this cordless phone is working properly. Okay friends, let's end my video.